Hi, Kylie. You asked about questions 6 and 7 on the Measures of Central Tendency worksheet. I have a picture of them here, and I'm just going to get you started. For number 6, if the mean of 8 numbers is 8, then it doesn't matter what the numbers were originally. All we know is that we added them all up and divided by, the mean of 10 numbers is 8. We added them all up, divided by 10, and we got an answer of 8. So basically, whatever the sum was, it's going to be the same as the sum of 8 plus itself 10 times. Sorry, it's not writing very well today. And so on, okay? So if we have 10 eighths and we divide all of those by 10, obviously we're going to get a mean of 8. So now what we're doing is we're going to add another number, and that number is an unknown. So let's use an x for that number. And so if I find the mean again, I'm now going to be using 11 as the denominator and not 10 in that equation. And so if you can take that equation now and solve it for x, we know that the mean of all of these numbers with the new number added in is now 9. So you have a simple equation here to solve for the variable x. For number 7, it's the same sort of idea. If we have the mean of 4 numbers and it's 5, and then the mean of 3 different numbers is 12, then you could assume that those 4 numbers are all 5. You're going to get the same result. And then for the other set of numbers, we have 3 numbers and the mean is 12. So no, it says that they're all different numbers, but you can assume that they all are going to add up to 36 anyway, so you can make it 3 12s. Now, what is the mean of the 7 numbers together? That would be just adding all of those up and dividing by 7. Okay? So I'll leave you to finish that off. I think you've got enough to go on there, and please continue to email me whenever you have questions.